subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has launched its new rugged smartphone in the European market called Galaxy Xcover 5. Talking about the specifications, the Samsung Galaxy Xcover 5 features a 5.3-inch HD Plus display with a thick bezels on the edges. The smartphone comes with IP68 certification for dust and water resistance, and it is also military standard 810H compliant. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Exynos 850 chipset, paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. In terms of camera, the Galaxy Xcover 5 supports a single 16MP camera on the rear with f1.8 aperture, and it has a dual LED flash below the camera setup. For selfies, it has a 5MP camera under the top bezel with f2.2 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 out of the box, and it comes equipped by a removable 3000 mAh battery that supports 15W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also comes with an additional button called Xcover key that can be customized to perform various tasks. The rugged design of the phone is claimed to withstand up to 1.5 meters drop, and it can submerge in a fresh water up to 1.5 meters for about 30 minutes of time. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C port or 2 dock points to charge the device. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 147.1 by 71.6 by 9.2mm. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Samsung Galaxy Xcover 5 has been priced at 329 British pounds, and it is set to go on sale in the European market starting from March 12th in a single black color option. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy Xcover 5 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.